Hi, beautiful souls. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we will do a guided meditation to cut ties with Archangel Michael, and we'll talk about releasing spirits. And this comes from the Angel Bible book by Hazel Raven. So, a damaged aura leaves us open to the misery of spirit attachments, also known as negative entities or parasites. This damage can be caused by disease, negative thought patterns, pollutants, addictions, stress, psychic attack, emotional turmoil, poor breathing techniques, or poor spiritual cleanliness. Holes, gaps, and tears within the aura are also very common, much more so than most of us realize. They may even result in multiple energy leakages, causing debilitation. If the integrity of our aura becomes damaged, we may attract entities that drain our life force. This attachment of disincarnate spirits to the body that influences both the mind and behavior of the host is recognized in every religion and is documented in every holy book as well. Out of character attachments may cause us to behave out of character. Changes can be subtle or dramatic and often involve a new addiction. Addictions and negative thought patterns may take on a life of their own and act as a form of possession. Symptoms of attached entities are unexplained exhaustion, nightmares, sudden anxiety attacks or depression, hearing voices in your head, suicidal impulses, mood swings or personality changes, indecision, confusion, poor concentration, memory gaps, impulsive behavior, and unexplained physical symptoms or illnesses. None of these is a sure sign of attachment, but if you have several of them, it could indicate that you've made room for an uninvited guest. Once an individual has attracted a disincarnate spirit as an attachment, that person is more open to attracting more disincarnate spirits. These disincarnate spirits need not only to be removed, but also to be helped to the light by the angels. They are often confused. Some are misguided, having realized too late that they are responsible for their behavior. They avoid the light. Spirit attachments, energy implants, and other energetic blocks, as well as binding ties that drag your energy down and lower your consciousness, can all be released with the help and support of Archangel Michael and his legions of light. These angels include ones that specifically guide lost or misplaced souls back to the source to receive healing. So Archangel Michael and his legions of light specialize in cutting binding ties, removing energy implants, and releasing spirit attachments. Some attachments are designed to control us emotionally, others sexually, physically, mentally, or spiritually. Energy vampirism is common, and they feed off of our energy. We all know people whose company leaves us feeling exhausted. Normally, vampire attachments are through the solar plexus chakra, but any chakra can be affected. Some attachments' hooks may begin by going into one chakra, but then are woven into several more. We can also tie ourselves up in emotional knots by holding on to old relationships, past suffering, trauma, or abuse. This binds a lot of our energy, and we need to free this in order to move forward. Emotional baggage slows us down and lowers our vibrational rate. It builds up over years, causing unresolved emotional stress and blockages within our energy system, which weakens our energy field. When we release negative emotions, we can replace them with angelic healing energy. So whenever you're ready, come to a comfortable seated position. Align your chakras, nice straight spine. From the base of the spine to the top of the head, close your eyes, clear your mind. Come into this present moment. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly to spine, breathing in and out of your nose, taking deep, cleansing breaths. Take a quick scan of your body. Be aware of all the tension and stress your body is holding. And you can send your breath to those areas. Visualize it dissolving away, lovingly releasing. Feeling nourished by your breath. Feeling completely relaxed. So visualize roots growing out of the soles of your feet to the ground to strengthen you. Deep cleansing breaths. Call on Archangel Michael and his legions of light. So Archangel Michael and your legions of light, we call upon you. We ask you for your presence. We ask you for your healing energy. So align yourself with this energy. Ask Archangel Michael to cut away all binding ties and cords, removing energy implants, and releasing spirit attachments. You can feel or sense Archangel Michael going through each of your chakra centers and working through your aura. Be aware of the process. See or feel the ties being cut. Disincarnate entities being taken up to the light by Archangel Michael. Ask Archangel Michael to wrap you in his blue cloak. This will gently heal any holes or gaps within your aura and give protection. Feel this blue light radiating through you, feeling protected, balanced, whole, and complete. You may continue for however long you feel. Whenever you're ready to close the healing session, you may. Feeling gratitude for Archangel Michael, we thank you for this healing and cleansing. You can slowly make your way back into this present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes. Affirming to yourself, I am balanced, whole, and complete. I am grateful for all of the healing received. I easily and graciously accept all the good and abundance in the universe. I easily share love. Today, I let the light of my love shine. Thank you so very much for sharing this time and space with me. The divinity within me sees and honors the divinity within you. Namaste.